Question: if vector p is equal to 2i plus 4j plus 14k and q vector 4i plus 4j plus 10k, find the magnitude of p plus q. Vector p plus vector q. P plus q vector is equal to addition of unit vector I, next unit vector I. So 2i plus 2i, next to j, unit vector j, 4j 4j, next k, 14k plus 10k, addition 2i plus 4i, that is 6i plus 8j plus 24k. Magnitude of p plus q, vector p plus vector q is equal to root over of 6i square plus 8j square plus 24k square. I square is equal to 1, j square is equal to 1, k square also 1. So magnitude of p plus q is equal to 36 plus 64 plus 576 root over total p plus q magnitude is equal to root over of 676. Root of 676 is equal to 26 unit.